After replacing old springs, it is not uncommon for vibrations to appear. Unless you specify otherwise, new springs will put your vehicle back to the stock factory ride height. But the following also applies when setting the vehicle at any ride height. Prior to replacing the springs, all those other suspension and steering and driveline parts have worn themselves to the old sagging ride height. Resetting the ride height can bring out the need to replace some of those old parts. Replacing the old spring bushings, isolators, shackles, and U-bolts can eliminate one area of concern.